Yes, friends, after downloading D5 from the address I showed, D5 render, SketchUp. Our bedroom file, is in a modeled state. You come to the search section or it is installed on the table. You press the D5 render section and start the render engine. Friends, when you open D5 render, such a menu appears, friends. In the menu, you can find news about D5, tutorials here, that is lessons, demo scenes here you can review, discount demo scenes, friends. And we will select our file from the open
Subscribe
section
to my
here.
channel. And
The
also
login
press
section
this
here is
bell
valid
icon.
control. When you say login, you register. After registering and completing the payment, when you log in with this email address, the features of the professional version are unlocked for you. Friends, everything is fine up to this point. Apart from that, here are the files we last worked on. You go to the open section. D5 from the desktop, render and SketchUp files. I select the D5 render SketchUp file. The moment I say open, my SketchUp file is transferred here as a package, friends. After the transfer process is complete, let's look at our file again. There is actually an error that continues or does not continue with the previous versions. It actually doesn't continue, but it's still beneficial for you to be cautious about this. Do not use Turkish characters in the file name. Avoid using characters like softgyo. Do not use them in the folder name either. Sometimes your file might get stuck here. In other words, it might remain on the loading screen and not proceed further. Render engine. In that case, what you need to do is immediately check the folder names. Remove the C, Ö, and soft G from the folder names. And also, remove the Turkish characters from the file name, specifically from the SketchUp file name, friends, because it's an important part. Everything is complete up to this point. Look, it's loading at 100%. After it loads, we will open it and check our process. Look, I had scenes in SketchUp, remember? We created scene 1 and scene 2 from the scene section. That was scene 1, look. I'm clicking, and this was scene 2, as you can see. It automatically recognizes them. Since I'm currently in the real-time screen, friends, you won't be able to see a different, varied, or high-quality environment. Because in the real-time screen, both the lights, its own lights, are automatically created by its artificial intelligence to see the screen. Because right now, we are at 0 in terms of quality. We will gradually improve our quality by adding more to it. Friends, in the next lesson, I want to talk a bit about the interface. For those who are new to using D5, the interface is really very simple and very easy, friends. That's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, we will cover the interface
there.
and how we can create
Subscribe
quality
to my
lighting.
channel.
How,
And also press
with
this
different
bell
techniques,
icon.
we will see how we can do lighting in D5.